As Prabhupada said, we can get released from false ego by worshipping Sankarshan. So because we told you that, we said, the scriptures are telling you that Sankarshan is Bhagavan and a Bhakta, and he's Vaishnavanam Yata Shambhu. This is mentioned in the 12th canto of Bhagavatam, that Shiva is the greatest of all the Vaishnavas. This verse is so often quoted, at least this one line. And this is from the 13th chapter, verse 16. Nimnam ganam yata ganga, devanam machito yata, vaishnavanam yata shambhu, purananam idam tata. As the Ganga is the greatest of all rivers, Lord Achyuta, or Krishna, is the supreme among deities. Lord Shambhu is the greatest of Vaishnavas. So, Srimad Bhagavatam is the greatest of all Puranas. So it's saying here, Vaishnavanam yata Shambhu. He's the greatest Vaishnava. So one of the qualities of a Vaishnava is mercy. They're very merciful. They're very kind. Kripambudhi. Ambudhi means ocean. Kripa means mercy. It's told that the devotee is a Kripa Shakti Murti. He is the form of energy, of the potency of mercy. Because God is busy with Lila. Lila Purushottam Sri Krishna. Damodar. He's having Lila. Holy Lila, Ras Lila, Jal Keli, Ban Bihar, all the just pastimes. All he's doing is enjoying. So he has no time to dispense mercy. He's not at the bank giving out 100 rupee notes. Just like the owner of State Bank doesn't stand there and give you 100 rupee notes. Or he's somewhere else. Maybe he's in the Bahamas or whatever he is.